Welcome to the Next Steps module. You're almost done with the self-paced orientation. Just two quick activities to go. First, you'll complete a feedback form. Then you'll take a Nearpod quiz to check your understanding of what we've covered. The Nearpod quiz must be done for you to complete the orientation. To get started, we'll go ahead and click Next. You will see the feedback form link. Go ahead and complete that form. Then you will click Next. Then you will see the Nearpod activity link. To access the Nearpod activity link, go ahead and click in the gray box. Now you have been directed to the Nearpod quiz lesson page. You will enter your full name and you do not need to enter a nickname. Go ahead and click Join Lesson. And now you have entered the quiz. You will see that the quiz has two activities, an open-ended question activity and a multiple choice activity. You can start the quiz by clicking Let's Begin or by clicking this blue arrow located in the middle right of the screen. We'll go ahead and click Let's Begin. Now you are entering the open-ended question activity portion of the quiz. You will notice two questions up at the top and a text box. To begin answering the questions, you will click into the text box. It will become highlighted to show that it's ready for you to begin typing. Open-ended questions are meant for you to write a more detailed answer. For now, I am just going to show you that you can type into that box. Great. So once you feel satisfied with the answer that you have provided in the text box, you will go ahead and click Submit. Then it will take you to the multiple choice portion of the quiz. You will notice the question towards the top of the screen, and then a list of answer choices, A, B, C, and D. You will see what question you are on and how many questions there are in the quiz. To select an answer, you will click on the circle next to the letter. To go to the next question, you will click Next at the bottom of the screen or the blue arrow in the middle right of the screen. Now, if you would like to translate the question and the answers into another language, then you can use the Immersive Reader. Go ahead and click on the Immersive Reader icon. You will first see it in English. Go to Reading Preferences, go to Translate, and click the drop-down arrow. Go ahead and choose whichever language you prefer. I am going to choose Spanish. And then turn on the document translation. Go ahead and exit out of the menu once you are ready to just look at the question and the answer choices. Now, the answer choices are listed here with the corresponding letters. If you would like to choose this answer, you will see that it has D as the corresponding letter. You will want to make sure that you remember which letter you would like to choose, because you cannot select the answer while you're in the Immersive Reader. So you will need to exit out of the Immersive Reader. go ahead and click the exit arrow to leave the Immersive Reader. Now, once you are back to this screen, you can choose which answer that you would like. If D was the answer that you would like to choose, then go ahead and select the circle next to it and click Next. The Immersive Reader can be used on any question in the quiz, including the open-ended question. Now, you will go ahead and answer all of the questions until you reach the end. And we have reached the last question of the quiz. Go ahead and select the answer that you would like to choose. And rather than clicking Next, you will click Submit. And that will submit all of your answers for grading. You will now see the score that you received. So 12 out of 18 means you got 12 of the 18 questions correct. If you scroll down, you will see which questions you were given and which answers were correct. Go ahead and review them for as long as you'd like. Once you are ready to exit the quiz, you will find the black and white drop-down arrow and click Exit. It will ask you if you are sure you want to leave this lesson, and you will click Yes. Now you will be taken to the home page. You can exit out of this tab by clicking the X here, and then navigate back to the module. Now that you are back in the orientation modules, go ahead and click Next. It will then take you to the thank you page and the last module of the orientation. So that's it. You are now ready to complete the Nearpod quiz. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact our office, and our staff will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.